This is Medstar Health Mondays on BascomeTV.
Hi, I'm Jenna. I'm a Medstar Health athletic trainer and community liaison. I get to work with the Bascome Football Leadership Academy, and we're really excited to have you here for our first ever Medstar Health Mondays on BascomeTV. Thanks for joining us. Each week we're going to bring you a different topic. This week we're going to talk about how to help prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Good hand hygiene means washing your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water aren't readily available, you want to find an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. So what are you avoiding? You're going to avoid touching your face, your nose, your eyes, your mouth with unwashed hands. You're going to avoid getting in close proximity to somebody else, keeping up with social distancing, that's 6 feet apart. You also want to avoid sharing household items such as towels. You want to make sure that you're cleaning and disinfecting frequently touched objects and surfaces, covering up your cough or sneeze with a tissue, then taking the tissue, throwing it out, and then washing your hands again. Lastly, if you're sick or have any symptoms, please stay home. Next, let's go ahead and meet one of our Medstar Health providers.
I'm Jana, a physical therapist at Medstar Health Rosedale. I offer physical therapy for all orthopedic and sports-related injuries, dry needling services, and concussion rehabilitation.
I know we're all looking forward to getting back onto the field and being able to play soccer again. Until that time, we have some other alternative workouts for you to use.
Hi everyone, my name is Amber Radke and I'm an athletic trainer with Medstar Health. Today we are bringing you an at-home stair workout. Today we're outside, but it's just as easy to do it inside on your staircase as well. You're going to be doing 30 seconds of each exercise, followed by up and down the stairs twice. Then you'll go through all the exercises, there are 11 of them, before you take a rest break and then repeat the circuit. If you see me in this video doing two different versions of an exercise, the first version is going to be the beginner version and the second version is going to be the more advanced version. Alright, so first thing we're going to start out with is a squat jump with pulse. I'm going to demo these exercises in just a few reps, but again, you're going to be doing 30 seconds of each exercise. So squat, jump with pulse. So you're going to squat down, pulse, jump up, pulse, jump up, pulse, jump up. Okay, then we're going to do plank taps. So you're going to be on the stairs like this. You're going to go tap your shoulders. To make it more advanced, you're going to go down like this. Tap your shoulders here. Try to keep your body nice and still when you're doing this. For the next exercise, we're going to do up, up, down, down on the stairs. So up, up, down, down, up, up. So remember to go as fast as you can, get your arms moving. Then we're going to do split squats. So on the right leg first, bend down, tap, down, switch and do your left leg, down, up. Okay, remember, after each of those exercises, you're going up and down the stairs twice. We are gonna do push-ups. You do push-ups on the stairs like this. Then if you want to make them a little bit harder, elevate your feet on the stair and go down like this. Okay, next thing we're going to do is alternating stair taps. So you're going to go like this. Again, get your arms pumping fast as you can. Now we're going to do lateral squats. So you're going to put your foot up here like this, come up. Then we're going to switch sides. All right, we're going to move into bridges. So you're going to lay on your back, feet on the stairs, bridge up, nice and slow back down. And then the last exercise is going to be doubling hops. So up, down, again, get your arms moving. Remember, you're going to do 30 seconds of each exercise, followed by up and down the stairs, and then take a break before you repeat the circuit. Remember to follow the social distancing rules of staying 6 feet away from people. Hope you enjoy. Have a good day.
Thanks, Amber. That stair workout looks legit. You guys should give it a try. Lastly, for our Medstar Health Mondays, we're going to end with a challenge. Good luck with this week's challenge.
Hey guys, it's Amber Radke, athletic trainer with Medstar Health. So we've been brainstorming some ideas about how to keep active during this self-isolation period and COVID virus. So we came up with the idea of doing some challenges between the Bascome US group and the Bascome Bermuda group. So to start off, we're going to do a wall sit challenge. So you're going to do a wall sit, hold it for as long as you possibly can, and see how many of you guys participate in each place, and do a little competition between the two groups. So rules are, you got to be 90-90, so knees 90, butt back, and you can't brace yourself, you can't hold on to the wall, you got to just party in the air the whole time you're holding it. So let's see what you guys got. All right, everybody, my legs are shaking. I did 229. It's not amazing, but it's pretty decent for a old lady like me. So let's see what you got. Remember, 90-90, no bracing yourself, just party in the air. Mind over matter. Let's see what you got. Have a good day.